Think your Apple Watch is just a fancy clock? Think again. It's got tricks up its sleeve you've never seen. Let's roll. 1. Reduce interruptions. Focus mode. Focus mode just got a glow up. Meet Reduce Interruptions. It uses Apple Intelligence to decide what deserves your attention. Everything else? Silenced. Activate from Control Center, tap Focus icon, select Reduce Interruptions, and set timer or location-based triggers. It's like Do Not Disturb, but smarter, sassier, and fully AI-powered. 2. Transcribe voice memos. Dictate a voice memo and boom. It's auto-transcribed on your iPhone via iOS 18. Record memo on Watch. Open iPhone and tap the little quote icon. It's a writer's dream. Draft that novel, rant about your boss. No typing needed. 3. Sleep apnea alerts. With watchOS 11 and Series 9 or 10, your Apple Watch monitors signs of sleep apnea. Head over to the settings, sleep, and turn on sleep tracking. After a few nights of beauty sleep, you'll start getting breathing disturbance metrics. Elevated? Normal? Your wrist is now a certified sleep detective. 4th golf and tennis swing metrics. Whether you're Federer or just cruising in a golf cart, your watch now detects acceleration and wrist movement. Download Golf Shot. It analyzes your shots, swings, even wrist rotation. It's like having a silent coach on your wrist. 5. Auto return to clock or app. Ever wish your watch would go back to the clock face only when you want it to? Go to Settings, General, and tap Return to Clock. You can choose a time delay, like 2 minutes or 1 hour, after which it auto-snaps back to your watch face. Want more control? Scroll down to Return to App, tap a specific app, and select Default, Custom, or Return to App to keep it active as long as your session's still running. Perfect for workouts, timers, or when you're deep in notes. 6th LTPO, watch faces. Always on with second hand. Certain watch faces now show a real-time ticking second hand even when idle. Thanks, LTPO tech. Try the faces. Reflections, flux, or activity digital. It's sleek, it's smooth, and honestly, kinda mesmerizing. 7. Double Tap Wizardry. Call coming in? Double tap your index and thumb. Wanna mute it? Just cover your watch with your palm. Scrolling through songs or Smart Stack? Double tap. And if you customize it, Double Tap can even open widgets or pause your music. You're basically conducting an orchestra of features. 8. Top of screen time jump. Scrolling deep into a list? Tap the time at the top of the screen and zip. You're instantly back at the top. Why swipe when you can teleport? 9. Best watch face. Photos. Face just got a glow up. Go to the Watch app on iPhone and watch faces and photos. Tap Shuffle and choose People, Pets, Nature, whatever your vibe is. It'll auto-curate your best pics and shuffle them with a single tap. Or try Flux and Reflections. They shimmer and animate with wrist movement. Fashion meets function. 10. Translate, Dive, and Body Battery. Use the new Translate app to speak in another language like a multilingual boss. Then enable Auto Launch and Depth app for your next swim. It'll tell you depth and water temp. Oh, and install Body State from the App Store. It turns your vitals into a body battery percentage, so you know if you're ready to crush the day or crash on the couch. Them know something might be off. Perfect for workouts, travel, or late-night pizza runs. Quickfire tips. Minimum brightness. See better even in the sun. Pause activity rings. Don't break your streak when you're sick. And just like that, your Apple Watch 10 is now a tech wizard on your wrist. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.